Top 5 reasons why COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is a skincare miracle. 2025 skincare enthusiasts across the globe swear by COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence, a product that has become a cult favorite in the world of K-beauty. With its powerful blend of 96% Snail Secretion Filtrate, this essence promises intense hydration, skin repair, and regeneration. Let's dive into the top 5 reasons why this essence is a must-have for your skincare routine in 2025. Deep hydration. One of the primary benefits of COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is its ability to deeply hydrate your skin. The snail mucin, rich in glycoproteins and hyaluronic acid, penetrates the skin layers to provide long-lasting moisture. If you suffer from dry, parched skin or simply need an extra boost of hydration, this essence does wonders by leaving your skin feeling plump, smooth, and refreshed. Skin repair and regeneration. The snail mucin in this essence isn't just a hydration powerhouse, it's also packed with skin-repairing properties. Whether you have acne scars, fine lines, or other forms of skin damage, this essence speeds up the regeneration process, promoting skin healing. The result? A rejuvenated and even complexion that feels as good as it looks. Non-greasy formula. Unlike other essences that can feel heavy or greasy on the skin, COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is lightweight and non-greasy. It absorbs quickly into the skin, making it suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, it's the perfect product for those who want hydration without any sticky residue. Enhances skin elasticity. As we age, our skin naturally loses elasticity, leading to sagging and the appearance of fine lines. COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence works to improve skin elasticity, helping firm up sagging areas and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With regular use, you'll notice your skin feeling more youthful and toned. Lightweight and fast absorbing. One of the standout features of this essence is how quickly it absorbs into the skin. After cleansing and toning, you can apply this essence and move on to the next step of your routine in no time. No waiting around for the product to absorb. Just instant hydration and skin benefits that are perfect for your fast-paced mornings. How to use COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Essence. Using this essence is super simple. After cleansing and toning your skin, apply a small amount of COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence onto your face. Gently pat the essence into your skin using your fingertips. Focus on areas that need extra attention, such as dry patches or areas with acne scars. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen for the best results. Why it works for all skin types. Whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin, COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is suitable for everyone. Its gentle formula is non-irritating and free of fragrances, making it a safe choice for those with sensitive skin. The snail mucin helps balance the skin's moisture levels without causing excess oil or clogging pores, making it perfect for acne-prone individuals as well. Real user reviews. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from users who've experienced the magic of this essence for themselves. Many users have reported visibly smoother, clearer skin, with fewer dark spots and acne scars. The fast-absorbing formula makes it a favorite in morning routines, and the lightweight texture ensures that the essence doesn't feel heavy or greasy. Whether you're in your 20s or 40s, people are loving how it enhances their skin's overall health and glow. Why you should add it to your routine. With all its skin-loving benefits, COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is more than just a one-trick pony. It's a versatile product that caters to a wide range of skincare concerns. Whether you're looking for something to hydrate, repair, or improve the elasticity of your skin, this essence checks all the boxes. So, if you're ready to incorporate a skincare product that really works, COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence should definitely be on your radar in 2025. Conclusion. In conclusion, COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is one of those skincare products that lives up to the hype. Its ability to provide deep hydration, repair skin, and boost elasticity makes it a must-have in any skincare routine. Plus, its lightweight, non-greasy formula makes it suitable for all skin types, from oily to sensitive skin. If you're looking to achieve glowing, hydrated skin in 2025, don't hesitate to try out this miraculous product. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried COSRX Snail Mucin Essence yet? Let us know how it worked for you. COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. The secret to hydrated, glowing skin. If you're into skincare, chances are you've already heard. COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Essence helps to heal damaged skin, making it appear smoother and more even-toned. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in skin texture and a reduction in pigmentation spots. Non-greasy, lightweight formula. Not all hydrating products are created equal. Many of them can feel heavy and greasy, which isn't ideal for daily use, especially during the day. The COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Essence is lightweight and non-greasy, which makes it an excellent option for anyone who doesn't want their skin to feel weighed down. Despite its lightweight consistency, the essence provides long-lasting hydration. The quick absorption of the essence ensures that it doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. This makes it perfect for layering with other skincare products like serums, moisturizers, and sunscreens. Its non-greasy formula is a significant plus for those with oily or combination skin who want hydration without added shine. Improves skin elasticity and firmness. One of the unique benefits of Snail Mucin is its ability to boost skin elasticity. Snail Mucin contains copper peptides, which play a key role in stimulating collagen production in the skin. Collagen is a protein that helps keep the skin firm and elastic. As we age, our collagen production slows down, leading to sagging skin and the formation of fine lines. Regular use of COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Essence helps to restore skin's elasticity, making it feel firmer and more youthful. If you're looking to combat the early signs of aging, this essence will give your skin a noticeable lift. By improving the skin's elasticity, it also helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Gentle and suitable for all skin types. COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is formulated to be gentle, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free and cruelty-free, ensuring that it doesn't irritate or cause breakouts, even for the most delicate skin. It's especially beneficial for people with acne-prone or sensitive skin because Snail Mucin promotes skin healing without being harsh or abrasive. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, this essence will nourish your skin and keep it healthy without any irritation. How to incorporate COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence into your skincare routine. Using this essence is simple and easy. Follow these steps for maximum benefits. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. Tone. Apply a toner to balance your skin's pH level and prepare it for better product absorption. Essence. Take a few drops of the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence and gently apply it to your face. Pat it in with your fingertips until fully absorbed. Moisturize. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Sunscreen. Don't forget to apply sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. This essence can be used both day and night, making it versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Real results. What users are saying. The COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence has garnered a huge fan following, and the reviews are overwhelmingly positive. Users have shared how they've noticed visible improvements in their skin's texture, elasticity, and overall glow. Many have reported a significant reduction in the appearance of acne scars and dark spots, which is a testament to its powerful regenerative abilities. People with dry or sensitive skin have also praised this essence for its gentle yet hydrating formula. It provides intense moisture without causing any irritation or breakouts. Whether you're new to Snail Mucin or have been using it for years, this product is guaranteed to impress. Why you should add COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence to your routine. If you're looking for a product that not only hydrates but also helps with skin repair, elasticity, and anti-aging, the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence should be at the top of your skincare wishlist. With its 96% Snail Secretion Filtrate, this essence addresses a wide range of skin concerns, from dryness to fine lines. It's suitable for all skin types, is gentle on sensitive skin, and delivers powerful results over time. Whether you're dealing with acne, scars, pigmentation, or simply want to enhance your skin's natural glow, this essence is a must-have in your skincare arsenal. Final thoughts. In conclusion, COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is a game-changer in skincare. It combines the power of snail mucin with a lightweight, non-greasy formula that provides deep hydration and promotes skin regeneration. If you haven't already tried it, now is the perfect time to experience the magic for yourself. For radiant, youthful, and hydrated skin in 2025, make sure COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is a part of your daily skincare routine. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Best Korean Skincare 2025 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.